Hey guys, we're making sugar cookies. Today we have sugar cookie mix, butter, eggs, and we're doing this flour. And first we have to put the sugar cookies into the bowl. Okay. I put it in when it's left.
Good job. Sissy, can you put the butter into the bowl? And that's softened butter. Okay, now Bentley, you need to put, can you put the egg into the bowl while Sissy starts mixing? Keep mixing, sis. Need some help? Now we gotta stir up the stuff, guys.
I'm getting it.
Both you guys work together to get it stirred up, okay? Push it closer towards Sissy, please.
Oh,
Keep it in the bowl, sis, please. Keep it in the bowl. Okay, guys, we got all of our cookie dough mixed up. Now what, Bentley?
Now we have to
Roll out our cookie dough.
pull it out of our cookie dough.
Now we're getting ready to pour out our dough onto the table so we can roll it out. Bentley, get the flour and you're going to sift some onto the table. Just a little here and there. Sprinkle it all over, okay? So it doesn't stick. Bentley, not too much. Not too much, please. Go over by Sissy, too. Good job. Now they both have a rolling pin. Okay, that's good. Put it back on the Santa plate, please. Now we're going to put the dough onto the table so you guys can roll it out, okay? We've got our dough out on the table. We've got our flour down so it doesn't stick. And we've floured down our rolling pins.
Looks like this.
Okay, try to pick it up and turn it sideways so you can roll it and keep rolling it flatter and flatter, guys, okay? Good job, sis.
Mine's gonna burn.
Turn it the other way now. Oh, well, that'll work too. Keep rolling, guys. The kids have washed your hands. Did you guys wash your hands with soap and water?
I did wash my hands with soap and water.
Oh, Sissy's tapping some flour onto there. Okay, keep rolling, Sissy. Keep rolling your dough out. Okay, so we broke our dough into smaller pieces so it's easier to work with.
So it don't go under the table, guys.
Yeah.
Like mine did.
We got our dough rolled out. Now the kids are going to do what?
Big gingerbread.
We're going to put the cookie cutter on the gingerbread. The gingerbread man on. Okay, let's see if we can do two on yours, sis. Okay, one. Bentley, your turn. Try not to overlap them. Sissy, leave it alone, okay? Mama have to help you in a minute. Okay. Oops. Good job. Okay, guys, we got our cookies out of the oven and chilled. So now the kids are decorating their cookies.
We're done decorating our cookies. We hope you enjoyed us. So see you next time. Bye.